How to remove song from Instagram post after posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove song from Instagram post after posting. Now, if you open up Instagram, I'll just open it up real quick here, and if I head into my profile, you can see I have just uploaded a post for this video purpose, and there I have added a song as well, as you can see below my username there. Now, if you tap on three dots option above the post there, you'll be able to see various options, but you won't be able to see the option to remove the song. Even if you tap on edit, you won't be able to get the option. You can add text or tag people, but there is no any option to remove the song. Now, unfortunately, there is no any option on Instagram to remove the song after you have posted it. What you can do is you can tap on three dots option along with the picture that you posted, and then tap on delete, and you can delete the picture. Once you have deleted it, you can go ahead and you can upload it again, this time without music. This is the only way you can remove song from Instagram post. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.